Let's understand shikimic acid pathway in a minute. This is present in plants, bacteria and fungi. It is absent in animal. It occurs in the plastid. It produces the precursor of phenolics, lignin, flavonoids and alkaloids. So let's know the steps by step method. So very first step of this pathway is formation of DAHP, where the phosphoenol pyruvate PEP plus erythrosol 4-phosphate is getting converted into DAHP. Here the enzyme DHP synthetase is used and the source is PEP and E4P. That is, PEP is from the glycolysis and E4P is for the pentose phosphate pathway. This step is linked the primary metabolism and the secondary metabolism. The step 2, where the formation of 3-dehydroxyquinoate, that is DHQ. It will form a reaction where a DHP will be getting converted into DHQ, where the enzyme 3-dehydroxyquinate synthesis is used and the cyclization reaction occurs here. Then step 3, formation of DHS, where DHQ will be converted into DHS. Here the enzyme 3-dehydroxyquinone dehydratase is used. The dehydratase reaction remove the water molecule. Then the formation of shikimate happens where DHS is getting converted into shikimate, where enzyme shikimate dehydrogenase plus NADHP is the enzyme that is converting DHS to shikimate. Here the reduction reaction occur. Step 5, formation of shikimate 3-phosphate, where the shikimate is getting converted into shikimate 3-phosphate. Enzyme is shikimate kinase plus ATP. Here the phosphorylation step is taking place. Then step 6 is formation of EPSP. It is important step where the SP3P, that is shikimate 3-phosphate plus PEP is getting converted into EPSP, that by the enzyme EPSP synthase. Here the glyphosate herbicides inhibit this enzyme, so the plants cannot make aromatic amino acid and the plants will die. Then formation of corismate. Here what happens, EPSP is getting converted into corismate when enzyme corismate synthetase. The corismate is a key branch point molecule and the final product that we get as corismate is a precursor of phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. So these aromatic compounds further form the phenolics, flavonoids, tannin, lignin and alkaloids and oxime, which occurs in the plastid. It is absent in the animal and links carbohydrate metabolism to secondary metabolism synthase. So the corismate is a precursor of most plant secondary metabolites. So for knowing such concepts, follow Biomindscape.